guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add an overlay on top of your videos on CapCut PC and kind of like blend them together. So I'm just going to add this as my overlay. I'm going to add it on top of that video. Kind of zoom it in a little bit, go to blend mode, then to kind of blend it with the video. You have a lot of options you can choose from. But for this one, let's choose the linear burn one. You can also adjust the opacity here, and it creates this really cool overlay on top of your videos. You can also do this with just a white stock video to create kind of like a white flash if you wanted to. So go to overlay, and I'm just going to set it at 100, and I'm going to select animation, and you're going to select the fade out animation, and you're also going to make it super small as well to create that kind of flash effect. And that's basically how you can add in an overlay on CapCut PC. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!